Hi y'all, welcome to the turning and video studio of Mike Peace Woodturning. I'm here to celebrate a major milestone in my YouTube journey. Can you imagine 700 woodturning videos? And it's a testimony to the sport enthusiasm of all you viewers. And I got to tell you how much I appreciate the likes, the comments, the shares we've had over the years. The encouragement that I've gotten from many of you, including one of the first subscribers and comments that I got from Sam Angelo on my very first video on my YouTube channel on turning angels, and I thank you so much for that, Sam. When I started this channel 9 years ago, I just couldn't imagine the kind of support that I've gotten over the years from the woodturning community, and I just really appreciate it. 700 videos. Can you believe it? A testament to the dedication and enthusiasm of you viewers and subscribers. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude in each and every one of you for being a part of this amazing journey. Your comments, likes, and shares have been the driving force that kept me motivated.
Was a good kickstart for my channel, and it's been a Christmas season favorite, as you can see from the spikes every year.
Let's take a look at a few introductory clips of some of those very first videos. Hi, how you doing? This is Mike Peace with one of my first YouTube videos, and I want to show you today how to do a angel ornament. Hello, I'm Mike Peace, and I want to talk to you about making a fun little project, a one-piece coffee scoop. These are turned in two directions. They were taught to me by a friend of mine, professional woodturning, Peg Schmidt. Hey, you woodturners out there. Hello there, woodturners. Mike Peace here. I want to go through a little fun little project on turning face grain little wooden knobs. Hey there, woodturners. Mike Peace at you. I want to talk to you about a really great way to fasten things to your lathe, and that's using a threaded glue block or a wooden faceplate. Hi guys, Mike Peace Woodturning. As we celebrate this milestone, I want to dedicate this moment to each and every one of you loyal viewers who's provided the support over the years. Hans Meyer. I'm humbled by the knowledge that our videos have encouraged many of you to take up woodturning or to improve your woodturning skills. The sense of community that we've achieved is truly special, and I'm just grateful for each and every one of you. But of course, we're not stopping here. There are still countless of turning ideas to explore, techniques to master, creations to bring to life, so I hope you'll join me for the next 700 videos as we continue this journey together. Before we go, I just want to say, remember, it's not just about the final piece, it's about the process, the journey, the learning and the fun you have along the way. So keep experimenting, keep learning, keep improving, keep having fun, enjoy the ride. And remember, I got one last thing to say. Y'all stay safe and come on back, you hear?